Afternoon everyone. So just doing that last Nicecnc product install that I got a while ago. So we had the rear bag, we had the timing side covers, and then it's the oil filter cover and your oil filler cap. So I've just done an oil change. You can see them here. Original oil filler cap, Nicecnc one. And then we've got the original oil filter cover, and then we've got the Nicecnc one, which is see-through. So just put a new filter in, clean up some of this mess around here, and we'll just start the actual reinstall now. I'm putting the new ones on, so should be good. So not much to it, put them back on. Just got to obviously put a new O-ring on or steal the O-ring off the other one, and we'll chuck her on and show the finished product. I put on the Nicecnc oil filter. I added a bit of extra oil before, that's where I've dripped that. I'd wiped it, then added a tiny bit more. So oil filler cap and oil filter cover, and it's transparent, so you can actually see the oil in there. I saw a guy took this up to Northern Territory with it on there, and it's well machined, not leaking at all, and had no issues with it. So pretty cool. You can see that the oil's flowing around and being retained up there. Just thought I'd do a quick wrap-up video on the Nicecnc products that they were nice enough to give me. So I just finished a almost 1,000 kilometre trip over the last 4 days. Just got back this morning with all the Nicecnc products on there, and they all perform flawlessly. Obviously nothing I really need to look at or check at all with them. They work fine. So as you can see, we can start with the front fork brace. So that worked perfect. Not a problem at all with the front fork brace. We went through some mud and all that sort of stuff. No issues, nothing. Just did its job. The front end felt great. Most recent one was the oil filter cover, so that's all fine. Obviously you can see that's sealed fine, no oil's come out. I've just done 1,000 k's banging around. Same with the cap, so that's all fine. Any residue there might be probably, I did overfill it, added some and spilled someone else filling, but still you can't see too much. So these two products obviously perform well as well. And then if we come around to this side, and the other ones we had are the clutch cover as well. So you can see here, that's more, possibly I did have them off the other day playing around. I did my doohickey, so I might have had a bit of residual oil on my hand when I did the seal. I've re-put some oil on the rubbers in there. But yeah, again, they perform fine. I haven't got no oil coming out anywhere or anything like that. So all the Nicecnc products, even from the prior videos, as you'll know, work well, fit well, properly machined, perfect products. I've got no issues with them. I like them. I liked being able to see that the quick glance, obviously you got your filler, how much oil you got in there, but seeing the oil working its way through the filter cartridge is quite cool. So yeah, so they're the Nicecnc products. So yeah, shout out to Nicecnc for providing me with these to, put on my bike, test out, review, give my honest opinion on them. I've got no issues. No one had any issues with any of their bikes now 1,000k trip, which was a benefit. And yeah, myself, no issues at all with any of my items on my bike, and the Nicecnc ones included in that. So yeah, if you like this video, please feel free to hit the like and subscribe. Future content, motorbike related basically. Cheers.